Yeah, what's poppin' with you? It's your boy, High Boy. I hope you don't mind me if this your shit. I'm finna just rip this shit real quick. But anyways, I be getting money, you should know that. Blow that. Swear I got the ass, don't I show that? For show that. I get it in a flash like Kodak. These niggas getting mad cause they don't know where the hoes at. I'm on track. Y'all so whack. Get a day job. I got cool whips, ice cream paint jobs. Get it? If you ain't get it, you a retard. I give them heat every time they push record. I got 3 cars, but only use 2. The other one, I'm tryna sit it on some new shoes. What do you do? Cause I do me. Ask LeBron James, I'm the new Heat. Swag too sweet for your taste buds. I smoke the Lightyear and catch a space buzz. I am in this bitch. Nigga, turn this shit up so you can witness this. Listen, bitch niggas get dead in the worst way. All over that cake, I gotta get it like birthdays. And I smoke a lot of green like it's Earth Day. Then I get up in this booth and just wordplay. Yeah, I'm going in like socket plugs. Nitty B got beat, no boxing gloves. I rap laps around the competition. Step up your composition. Where's the competition?